A telescoping ladder is an incredibly useful tool to have around the house, especially if you're the type who likes to do things yourself. They're also great for getting to those hard-to-reach places and can be easily stored away when not in use. But with so many on the market, it can be tricky to decide which one is right for you. Here's a rundown of the 8 best telescoping ladders on the market to help make your decision a little easier. So, watch the full video and check the links in the description for updated prices and information. On my list, number 1 is Ohuhu ANSI Certified Telescoping Ladder 12.5 feet. This telescoping ladder was designed with easy one-button retraction, making it easier and faster to use. With this design, you'll be able to get the job done quicker and with less effort. This ladder has been certified by the American National Standards Institute, meaning it has passed its safety test. This is one of the most stringent testing organizations in the world, so you can rest assured our ladder is safe to use. This product is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and has more than 60 overlapping on each casing tube. This telescoping ladder has a standard weight limit of 250 pounds, making it perfect for most household jobs. Non-slip end caps hold the base firmly in place, ensuring your safety as you work. Each rung of this ladder retracts smoothly and slowly, so you don't have to worry about pinching your fingers. And lastly, it features intelligent locking pins that hold the sections in place and prevent sliding. This is a great safety feature as it prevents the ladder from slipping or collapsing while in use. Number 2 is LUISLADDERS Aluminum Telescoping Ladder. When it comes to finding a ladder that can support your weight, the LUISLADDERS Aluminum Telescoping Ladder is a safe bet. With a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, this ladder can accommodate nearly anyone. In addition, the aluminum construction makes it lightweight and easy to maneuver, while the telescoping design means it can be easily stored in small spaces. This ladder is made from high-quality aluminum alloy that is resistant to corrosion. This telescoping ladder has an extension and lock mechanism with thumb buttons that click smoothly and effortlessly. With just a push of a button, you can extend the ladder to your desired height. The smooth extension mechanism makes it easy to use this ladder for any task, whether you're cleaning gutters or reaching items on high shelves. With double couplings on every rung, you can be sure that your hands will always be in the right position, no more pinching. It comes with a heavy-duty securing strap that holds the ladder firmly in place while not in use, and a grip handle that makes it easy to carry around. Number 3 is ALPURLAD 10.5 feet Telescoping Ladder. The ALPURLAD ladder is made with high-quality, 1.3 mm thick aluminum tube that is both durable and lightweight. This makes it perfect for a wide range of uses, including household chores and professional work tasks. It's made with non-marking aluminum tube technology, which is integrally formed and more resistant to oxidation and corrosion. All plastic parts of the folding ladder are made of high-tenacity nylon plastic, making it a strong and sturdy ladder. The 6.7-inch overlap of each section of the aluminum tube creates a more stable ladder. With a wider stance, the ladder is less likely to tip and provides a more comfortable and secure feeling while climbing. The ladder's steps have been treated with anti-skid treatment to provide a slip-resistant surface. Slip-resistant steps. The toe black locks on both sides of each ladder pedal offer added stability and peace of mind. And last but not the least, this ladder can easily withstand the weight of up to 150 kg, making it perfect for a wide range of tasks and projects. Number 4 is BIVATIA 8.5 feet Smartsafe Aluminum Telescoping Ladder. This versatile and easy-to-use ladder is perfect for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want a compact and portable option for quick and easy access to hard-to-reach areas. It is made with industrial-grade aluminum and has a clean-touch anodized finish, making it safe for you and your family. The aluminum is also corrosion-resistant, so you can use it in any environment. This ladder can hold up to 330 pounds, making it perfect for any challenging repair or cleaning project you might have. With an ANSI Type 1 professional or contractor duty rating, you can rest assured that this ladder is up to the task. This ladder is easy to open, retract, and adjust, making it quick and simple to get the height you need for any job. Red and green locking indicators at each step assure you that it's safe to climb on the ladder. No doubt it is a great feature. Also, it comes with a patented soft close system that closes the extending ladder softly and smoothly. Number 5 is RIKADE 8.5 feet aluminum telescoping ladder. First thing first, it offers rock-solid durability. It is made of 6,063 high-strength and high-hardness aluminum alloy tube. It's durable enough to withstand years of use, making it a great investment for your home or office. This telescoping ladder is perfect for most people as it safely supports a load bearing of up to 330 pounds. Compared to the old version, the top of the telescopic ladder adds 2 hooks which make the user more safe. The handrail design at the bottom of the ladder makes it easy to carry. This durable, 8.5-foot RIKADE aluminum telescoping ladder is perfect for all your indoor and outdoor needs. From cleaning those hard-to-reach places to organizing your garage, this versatile ladder can do it all. Number 6 is Energy Bear 18.5 FT Aluminum Foldable Industrial Compact Loft Ladder. When it comes to safety, the Energy Bear 18.5 FT Aluminum Foldable Industrial Compact Loft Ladder is the best choice for you. It is equipped with 2 orange plastic non-slip blocks that increase friction with the ground, making it more stable and secure. Plus, it is equipped with 2 black non-slip rollers which improve its practicality. This ladder is designed to increase safety and stability while riding. The bottom is widened to 3-inch 7.5 cm. The orange safety position and the above pedal are widened to 1.58-inch forcum. The thickness is increased to 2.5 mm. Plus, the thickness of the side aluminum alloy steel pipe reaches 0.59-inch 1.5 mm. Compared to standard pedals, this product provides a more stable platform and prevents slippage while in use. Lastly, the aluminum alloy used to make this ladder is thick and strong, making it perfect for use in industrial settings.